So this is the comparison matrix I have created. So starting with the operating system. So as we all know, Sketch is the product of Mac. So it only works in the Mac. But Figma and Adobe XD can be work in any operating system, Mac, Windows, Linux. So that is a very good part. Not everybody, can just afford a Mac. So even for especially for the students, they can start with the Figma and Adobe XD easily with their normal PC or Windows laptop, right? And then we have is the plugin support. So all three of them supports a big library of plugins. So kudos to kudos to these tools. So it's a very good thing. And then we have real-time collaboration. So as we all know, that Adobe XD just introduces the real-time collaboration, I think 5-6 months ago, but the Figma and Sketch were already providing, and this is a very vital and the very important feature they should have. And we just talked about it, how collaboration is important among your team members and even with the developers. So very amazing feature. And then we have works in browser. So Adobe XD doesn't works in any browser. So the only drawback here is, if you don't carry your laptop or you carry your personal thing and and you wanted to change something or work on something, so you need to get a laptop from somewhere, and you need to download the whole software. But the Figma and Sketch, you can just simply log in with their address, and you can just simply starting designing on it by just logging your respective IDs of Sketch and Figma. So that is a very good thing to have. Hopefully Adobe XD will come soon with that. So next is getting started. So when you download the Sketch, it will guide you with some documentation. Figma gives you some design exercises, and Adobe XD started with some video tutorials and guides. Okay. So the next is offline mode. So all three of them provides the offline mode. For example, if your internet is not working or something is breakdown, so you don't need to worry. Your design will not go anywhere. They will be staying in your design files as much as you can. Once the internet connection or connectivity will be back, they will easily upload to the cloud. You can just simply save it. And yeah, this is a very cool thing. So you don't need to worry about your design. Because they don't need any specific online thing to work on, right? So the next is mobile app. So Sketch doesn't have a mobile app, but Figma and Adobe XD does. So let me tell you why do we need a mobile app for this. So let me give you an example. Let's say we are just designing a mobile app, right? And we need to see the real kind of prototype in our mobile. So what you will do in the Sketch part, so there is no way you can view that prototype in the mobile, but in Figma and Adobe you can do that. They have their own apps which you can download. You can just log in there, up your respective IDs of Figma and Adobe XD, and you can just simply view the real-time prototype in your mobile. As you can do the changes, it will be directly reflect to your mobile prototype, right? Okay, so the next is a free plan without trial. So I'll just say Figma is doing wonders here, as they are giving their software for free, like for forever. So thanks to Figma in this. And I'll quickly tell you like what Sketch is. Sketch is giving 30 days trial for free, and Adobe XD is giving 7 days trial. So I think Figma is the clear winner here, and especially for the students or the beginners in the UI UX design. So they doesn't need to pay anything to learn Figma, or to learn basically designing and prototyping. So they just can you start with Figma very easily, right? So kudos to that. Can able to use free? No, you can't do anything. No, you can't use anything for free in Sketch nor in Adobe XD. You can use almost everything in Figma. They just take some money for some extra pages and some extra artboards for in the Figma. Rest everything you will get for free in that. So isn't it amazing, right? Okay, but who knows that everybody knows that Adobe acquires Figma in recent time. So let's just hope Figma will remain free forever for us, right? Okay, so the current monthly pricing for Sketch is $9 and Adobe XD is 9.99, which is pretty much similar. But Figma has a $15 pricing, including FigJam. So why I mentioned FigJam is because I feel FigJam is a very important tool we have, because we can do all our UX activities in that, whether it's to create information architectures, you want to do any other thing like make notes, you want, if you want to create user flows, personas, all you can do that in FigJam, which is a very very good thing. And it is very much combined with Figma, so you can move files here and there, and there will be no problem. So it is a very good thing to have. So both FigJam and Figma cost you $15 a month. To be precise, $12 for Figma and $3 for FigJam.